Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, as you can tell from the title, this is a first impressions review and tutorial all in one of the Kylie Cosmetics Stormi palettes. I achieved this beautiful halo look with the palette, and I'll show you guys how to do that. I was trying to get not all of the collection, but at least the palette and the lip set, but sold out. So the only thing I was able to get was the palette, and I also got a lip kit, the Rendezvous, which is this right here. Comes with both the lip pencil and the lipstick. Everything all together cost $48.51. The palette itself is $28 and the lip kit was $26. Also, if you are like me and it's your first time shopping with Kylie Cosmetics, you get to have, I think, free shipping. And this is what the palette looks like, all 9 shades, and the names are also on the back. I'll also insert a picture of my arm swatches. I'm not really good with swatches, so I mean, hate it or love it, because I hate it. But these swatched out okay. And yeah, let me just let you watch the video so you can determine if you like it or not. If you think you see Hello Kitty on my shirt, it's because it is. We're gonna start with Baby Girl, which is like the light lavender shade, and you can see it. Yeah, I was actually like hesitating to use this because I didn't know if it would even show up on my skin tone, but so far so good. Are we doing a halo right now? I don't know. And there's not much fallout in this palette, which is even better because I didn't set my face with setting powder. And to be honest, I think the ABH primer actually helped for it to show up. So let's tap on the edges. Okay, I do have to say these are very pigmented. Like, wow, I'm happy. I'm gonna take a little of Angel on Earth and see if that can just kind of add like a nice pinky thing going on here. Add that like kind of between the, what was it, Love Without Limits and the Baby Girl shade. Let's see. Ooh, bish. It's just a little like, it's not popping up as opaque, you know what I mean? Like you can see the white base in the background. So I think I'm actually gonna use my fingers, yeah. Yeah, I have this pink pigment called Golden Rose by Makeup Addiction. Comes like this. And I'm gonna swatch it for you guys really quick just to see what I mean. This is just one swatch. She's pretty, she's vibrant. No BS, it looks exactly like the shade. Doesn't it? That's so pretty. I'm still like not seeing the dimension that I want, so I'm actually going to go into a 443. Just dab it right here in the center. Okay. So this is what the eye looks like before lashes. I'm gonna finish the other eye, pop on some lashes, and then we'll be back for our final results and thoughts. Alrighty, so I just finished the eyes. They look fabulous. I added a pop of blue underneath. I bet you can't see it. I didn't get a chance to get their lippies as I stated in the beginning, but I'm gonna try on what I did get. It's alright. I like that it comes together with the lipstick though. The texture is not anything crazy. And yeah, this is not it. So here is the final look, the final results. I love this look. I cannot wait to take my pictures because I'm about to get up, you know what I mean? But anyways, I'm gonna give you guys my quick thoughts on the palette and what I think. One, the packaging is cute as hell. I think it's super appropriate for her daughter and I love it. And I feel like this whole past year, butterflies has just been in. It's cute, let's do it. All right, so for cons, which I believe I only have two. One of them I can't really speak on until I do another look, like a new look with this. But as for the first con, I would definitely say that Butterfly Babe, that specific shade, was way too see-through, like visible. Like I just wish it was a little bit more vibrant, like more pigmented for me personally, because otherwise you would have just saw like my primer in the background and I don't really like that. And for the second con, I would just have to say, based off my swatches, I don't like Perfect Storm. And for everything, just seemed a little iffy to me, but I'll have to actually try to do a look with it and see how it comes out. Here's the second look I actually created that night. And as you can see, for everything in Perfect Storm, definitely does not look like it came from that palette. But in a way, I'm not mad at it, but it just wasn't what I expected. And for pros is I do love how small this palette is. We all need travel friendly kits. Another pro would be the fact that it shows up on my skin complexion. Like, let's be real. Also, the color story was really attracting to me, and so I got it, risked it, and I love it. I'm really surprised. And for another pro, it's a pro and con, but for $28, it's not too bad. It could have been a few dollars cheaper, but it's Kylie Cosmetics. Like, you pay for also the brand and packaging and all that stuff. But overall, I really like this palette. I'm impressed, and I would definitely say this is approved, Casa Certified, approved, whatever I end up making my slogan. But yeah, I say this is it. I know that it was out of stock, but she announced a few days ago that was back in stock. So let me know if you're gonna get one. Let me know if you already have it and what you think. And that is the end of the video. So thank you so much, you guys, for watching. Don't forget to thumbs up, like, comment, and I'll see you guys in the next video.